Hello, my dear lovely brother and sister. Well, today, once again, we have just gathered here to discuss about the culture. As we are just knowing that there are two types of culture, Indian culture and Western culture. And we are in Indian, so we respect our culture. But for developing our country and nation, we have to adapt the Western culture also. So here there are two teams. First, the girls, they are the favor of Western culture, and the boys are the favor of Indian culture. So let's start from the girls. Okay.
Western culture is good. I think Western culture is referred to the advanced and modern technology in nowadays. And you can see the people of Western culture people, you can so developed and so rich and like countries like America, Australia, Japan, Germany, and nothing else. But peoples can see the peoples not, but doesn't mind people can poor and rich. But your focus our technologies and many industries are there. So I think Western culture is good.
But development is not the culture.
But Western culture is also developed.
So it is not about the culture in the development, like development ways. Like development comes in the culture. In the culture comes like the dresses about like how the Indian culture dresses. Like because in Indian culture there are too much dresses available for girls and boys, which are easy to wear and are comfortable.
Yeah, but Western culture dress is so good because you can go any interview like that and conference. So you can't go in the dhoti and kurta. You can go in the professional dress. So Western culture dress is so good.
Okay, you are giving the example of interview. You are giving me the example of interview. Like you go for an interview and you wear a casual dresses. Okay.
Yeah.
And at that time, if you go, then if you wear dhoti kurta, then the interviewer tell, I can't take your interview.
No.
He will tell, no, I don't take your interview.
Yeah, of course.
I mentioned some point. The interview don't see the their dresses. They see their skill. And how can you say that the interview reject the person?
But you can talking about jobs and business. So you can go in the interview. So interview see the dress and your personality.
I don't think that interview don't see the dresses and the other thing. They see the skill. They have skill. Then I give the proposal of the job.
But you can go in the like UPSC and NEET examination. So your dress like so good, like very good.
You have knowledge, then you correct the NEET and IS officer exam.
But you are wrong. I think in the ISB interview, you also see there are so many videos and interviewers tell that your dress is too light or too dark, so you have to
Okay,
change
you
your dress.
live in India and you give the examination of IS officer. Then you wear dhoti kurta sari. It is don't mind. They see your skill. You have
But
skill. Then you
I know that
they give
I know
you
that
job.
they see your skill,
And
but
you
also
wear your nation clothes.
but also they see your clothes and your personality. Then they will choose you.
But you have skill. Then they give you job. And you know about in India, you wear the Indian dresses and go in interview like IS.
Have you seen about in UPSC any boys and men they wear the dhoti and give their interview?
But I see women wear the sari and give the
But
interview.
men's are wearing the coat, so I think they also see your personality as well as.
Okay, I agree, but women wear the sari and give the interview.
But also there are so many types of sarees, so not all the are
sari
available.
is the cloth of India, and how can
I want to say that you are saying that Western dresses are comfortable and it is good to wear. But I want to clarify that Indian peoples not only wear dhoti and kurta, they also wear shirt and full pants. In olden times, people wear shirt and full pants which look classic and good in formal.
Okay, you say about the shirt and the pant, but also in Indian culture there is only shirt and pant, I think, and t-shirt. But in the Western culture there are so many types of dresses for also men and the women. So I think Western culture dresses are more good as compared to the Indian culture, because Indian culture dresses are not very much variety. But in Western culture there are so many types, like party wear, interview wear, and there are so many types, and these are so comfortable.
I agree with your point, but Indian dresses are made with a good fabric and cotton, which is comfortable to wear, and every person like. Western people also like Indian cottons.
They like Indian cotton, not the Indian clothes, because nowadays also there are so many types of fabric available in India also, like polyester, nylon. These are not very comfortable in the summer wear. So I think also cotton clothes are available in Western clothes.
Okay, I agree with your point, but for summer, Indian people wear like towels. They have towel which protect them from the sun. They can always use in the afternoon, at night, when they are sleeping.
I don't think so that they are. I know that they are wearing the towel, but not all the times, because mostly in the summer season, most of the people wants to wear like shorts. And nowadays, every people like now generation always wear shorts. But I think some of the peoples wear towel.
Okay, change to the point. Yes, you may change the point.
Western culture is good because in Western side food is very good and very healthy, because in Western side food is only boiled and boil only, and but in India many type of spices are present, and I think and you know that older people don't digest the easily spices.
I don't think that the Western food is healthy. You know about the Western food, momos and burger, pizza, etc. Thing. They are unhealthy food. Then how can you say that they
Okay.
are healthy food?
Okay, but some food, momos, burger, but every
But
time you
you
don't
know
eat
about
the
the
momos
Western
and
people eat
burger.
only the momos and chowmings,
How can you
burgers.
say that every people
I see.
don't eat
I see.
every
The
time
Western
momos
people
and
order
burger?
the burger, pizza, that type of things.
I want to mention some point.
Every day you eat the only burger and pizza.
I know it. I know it. The Western people eat.
Indian people can matlab means only chapati, rice, and dal only. But Western culture people sometimes eat like momos, burger, pizza to fresh.
As you know about the Western culture, mostly families are in the nuclear, and you know about that in the Western culture, their family supports their children, and they give freedom, and which helps them to